In the latest episode of our Scottish adventure, our NC500 journey officially begins. Everyone told us the west coast is the best, so naturally we did the opposite and headed east first, saving the best for last. After a cosy night at the foot of Glen Nevis, we headed for the east coast, passing incredible castles, stunning beaches and what might just be the world's best hot chocolate along the way. And if the west coast really is the best, well, we're about to find out.
Morning. It's a bit nicer today, doesn't it? We had a good night's sleep, didn't we? Yeah. We're going to start an early journey, I think, heading towards Loch Ness, then Dornoch, and then we've got a little camping pod, which I'm excited to see. And I don't know what's cooking, but something smells amazing out here. It looks a lot nicer out here today. Not as crazy weather. I don't know if you can see, but right up in the distance, just about there, people are starting to walk up. This whole mountain is Glen Nevis. We're going to make a move. I'm going to start walking. We're going to start driving towards Loch Ness and actually start the NC500 today. First stop Morrison's. We're going to go and get Thea wants some waffles, so get Thea some waffles. We smelt someone cooking them this morning.
Head west and turn right.
Then we need some diesel.
And for me, waffles for me.
Yes, and waffles for Elsie. Don't forget Elsie. And we'll see if we can find something. We need coffee, but I don't know if there's going to be anything around there for coffee. So
we're going to be able to get one of those.
We'll figure something out, I'm sure.
We found a McDonald's, so we're having a cheeky McDonald's.
Before we leave in Fort William. We probably should have left a little while ago, shouldn't we?
Probably, because it's 9 already.
We've
Aren't they?
got a lot of things on today, so we're going to see Loch Ness. We're going to see the Nessie.
Yeah, if we've got time, we'll have a look at that castle. Is it Urquhart Castle?
Urquhart. Yeah.
Urquhart.
We can see inside the castle.
And then we are heading up then to
Dornoch.
We're going to have a look around Dornoch. We're going to get the
try the
world's
hot chocolate.
best hot chocolate. And then we are staying somewhere a bit different this evening.
Brora.
I don't know. We're butchering that. But our McDonald's is here now, so that is brilliant.
We just arrived at Urquhart Castle, which was £16 for an adult and it was £9 for a child.
We got a Halloween quiz and we're going to get a prize at the end.
We are, aren't we? Elsie's just trying to find out her clues. If you look over here, you can see the castle. So to save you Googling, the castle was built in the 6th century and it was actually blown up in the 1600s to stop enemies from taking over. And the ruins that it's in today has been the same since 1692. Apparently the castle used to swap hands between the Scottish and the English. It's one of the old prison cells. God, that's small. Ugh. I bet that would be cold. More steps. They'd look throughout, and if there was enemies, they'd use their bow and arrow and they'd fire it at them through the windows. Because it's just ruins, I thought it was going to be really small, but it's massive. There's loads to see and do. What's this over here?
Have a look, Theo.
Whoa.
What can you see?
After yesterday's dismal weather, we've done quite well here, haven't we? Can't believe how nice the weather is today. It's not even that cold, even though I've got a big, massive coat on.
Nessie, give us a really, really big wave! If you can hear us!
I'm getting too old for these steps. Urquhart Castle ticked off. Tash, you like it?
Yeah, I thought it was really nice.
It's cool, wasn't it?
Very beautiful.
Quite interesting as well.
Views.
Lots of information around there, so you get to understand what it was all about.
Shop now to get our prize!
Yeah, Elsie's going to go to the gift shop because she's ticked off the quiz for the Halloween quiz. We've just left Urquhart and we were going to stop off at some exhibition centre for Loch Ness, but it didn't look like there was that much there. Oh, okay. So we're carrying on north, heading towards Dornoch to get the world's best hot chocolate and see what's around in Dornoch. So we'll take you there. But yeah, I didn't think them looked like there was much at that exhibition centre. I could be wrong, but no, we're going to carry on north.
I wasn't sure whether you had to pay or whether it was free either. So
Yeah.
because we'd paid to go into the castle,
We thought
we had good views of Loch Ness from there, and obviously we've been driving along it the whole time. So.
Yeah, that's it. So after exploring the ruins of Urquhart Castle and searching for Nessie in the deep waters of Loch Ness, we ventured further into the Highlands, and finally we were officially on the famous North Coast 500. This road trip has been on our bucket list for years. We were excited to finally be here, ready to see for ourselves whether the North Coast 500 really lives up to the hype. Just arrived in Dornoch. I'm probably killing that name, so I apologise, but just looking for a space to park up somewhere now. But how cute does this little place look? Looks nice. Just looking to pay for the parking. We found some parking in Dornoch. Just over the way, actually. Look at this. Little pickleball club. Never seen one of them before. That's cool. Right. Now I just need to find where to pay. I'll tell you how much it is when I get there. This is the Highland Council car park, apparently. Okay, parking tariff. How do we do this? Just pay for that. So we've got 2 hours for £1. That's not too bad. It was £1 for parking, so that's alright, isn't it? Sometimes I question my smarts. I've just been outsmarted by my 7-year-old daughter. Could someone explain these bins for me, please?
Have you read it?
It's a bin. Doesn't say anything about it. It is a bin. It says litter. It's only a very little hole and I can't get it in. You are? I can't get it in the hole, mummy. Damn it! Like, this is a serious challenge. We have a problem here, Ralph.
Dad, take it out.
Right.
Take all the stuff out.
Elsie,
Into the bin.
why are you being so clever? Why don't you take the stuff out of the rubbish bag and put it in the bin separately? Why didn't I think of that? Because I'm a man. This is Coco Mountain. Apparently the best hot chocolate in the world is served here, so we're going in. Apparently it's got milk chocolate and white chocolate in it, so I'm going to try it. I don't know if Theo wants any, but let's give it a go. Did you just change your face? Do it again. Show me how you change your face.
Just changed his face.
Oh wow, it changed. Can you change it again?
Can you bring Theo back? Is this the Theo face now? Oh, phew.
What have you got, Theo?
Apple juice.
Is it apple? It's orange, isn't it?
Orange. Orange juice.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Tashi's getting first go.
That's very nice.
Is it good? Is it nice? Chocolate done. Bookshop now.
Delicious. Yeah.
Tash managed to find a bookshop when I told her to look for some food for us. Always the way, standard. Here we are, the Dornoch bookshop. Well, that's a little town of Dornoch. Town? Village? Hamlet? Not sure. Whatever it is, that's it done. We're going to go and find the beach now, hopefully. It looks like there's a little food place on the beach. It looks quite nice, so we'll try that. I've just seen this place called the Highland Larder. Hang on a sec. And I've seen, I think it was Robbie Rome's was eating something from here, so I'm going to see if there's any food that we can have before we have our tea tonight. Let's see what they got. Just over here is Dornoch's camping and caravan site that we look to stop on when we were changing our stop yesterday, but unfortunately that's closed today. So yeah, just changing our stop a little bit, going to one of these cool glamping pods or camping pods, whatever they call them, tonight. just up the road from here. But we're going to take a walk once we've had some food, just got some chips, and then we're going to head down to the beach and let the kids have a little play before we head to our stopover. We've got a little poorly boy, haven't we, mate?
Not feeling too good. We're going to go and get you some medicine.
Feeling a little bit lethargic. Me and Elsie on a little side quest. We're going down to the beach in Dornoch. Theo's not feeling too well, which is a shame. So Tashi's just trying to find some cowpaw, the magic cowpaw that always saves the day. While me and Elsie walk through the little sand dunes onto Dornoch Beach. And I'm hoping it's going to be as beautiful as everyone says. Let's take a look. Elsie just said, I can't believe we're going to the beach and I'm wearing flares. She's funny. She's getting so old and she makes me laugh now. You're funny, aren't you, Else? Right, how far in is this? How far do we have to go?
I don't know.
This is now turning into a main quest. It's no longer a side quest because I think we've gone the longest way possible. Having said that, I think I can see the sea now, Else. We're nearly there.
The sun don't reach, weary eyes know the light don't pierce. Down in the mines, 40 years, like 40 lives, only whistles blowing to mark the time. Way, way down we go.
Now we've got to navigate our way back through these sand dunes, back to the van, and find our pod before it gets too dark. Apparently you can't follow the sat-nav. No, look, as I said, we're amateur travellers, so be amazed if we find it straight away.
Go and see whether it says Coral Rock on it.
As I said, we're stopping at somewhere a little bit different tonight. Got these NC500 pods. Just trying to find which one ours is.
Does it say Coral Rock?
Yeah, that's it over there. Have you got the keys? Oh well, that's a nice one, isn't it?
That one's the one with the hot tub.
Oh yeah, that's cool. How nice does this look? This is a cool little spot. A little bit different to the van tonight. Gives us a bit more space. We only booked it really because there wasn't any campsites in Dornoch, so we went for this because it wasn't overly expensive. They've got like a communal barbecue down there. They've got a sauna there. There's quite a cool looking pod up here that had a hot tub, but we haven't gone for that one. And we're just parked up just on the side over there. But yeah, what a nice little spot for the night.
Right, so we've just come in the pod, haven't we, Elsie? And what do you
Yeah.
think of it?
I love it.
Well, I am very impressed with this pod. It's got underfloor heating. It's got its own Wi-Fi. The sofa bed comes out to a big bed for the kids. There's a big bed for me and Matt. There's a lovely shower. The lights change colour. There's a smart TV. And I'm hoping that we might get a view of the stars as well outside tonight, because it seems like it's quite a clear night.
Alexa!
So
Turn dark
the kids
blue.
are loving the
No,
Alexa
hot blue.
lights.
Dark blue, look, hot blue.
Wow, hot blue they've gone for now. But it's
Hot
nice
blue, hot
to
blue.
spread out a bit from being in the van, get everything sorted, and then
Daddy, look. Look at
move
the
on
ceiling.
with our journey.
Kids are just chilling after a busy few days, aren't you? Have you been all go? Are you tired? We'll have a rest tonight, then we'll go again tomorrow. Yeah? Should we find a nice beach? Yeah. Right then, that's a wrap for today. Another busy one.
Yep, just had a nice full English in the lodge. super cosy.
Tash wasn't a fan of Scottish sausage.
Called pork. What was it? Pork. What was it called? Pork loin. Loin. Lawn.
Pork square?
Pork lawn.
I don't know what it was called. Pork
Elsie
lawn or something
thinks
like that.
Pork square.
I've had it before. Cheap version in the UK. Mum and Dad used to buy it. I like it. It was alright, but
We didn't like it, did we, else?
Elsie and Tash didn't like it. But I couldn't eat all four, so I could only manage two. But yeah, busy day. Some bits better than others, I think. I loved Dornoch Beach. Thought that was great.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate was okay. I wouldn't give it. I don't think it's the world's best.
It is.
Elsie thinks it is. It was alright.
She
It was
likes
good.
the topping.
Yeah,
I thought it was pretty good. It was a decent hot chocolate.
it was decent. And then Urquhart Castle. Elsie's twerking. I don't know if you can.
Elsie
I don't know where
knows.
she's learnt to twerk. Thea's watching TV. Thought Urquhart Castle was good.
I did really enjoy that actually. I think the kids did enjoy it as well.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. And then obviously we didn't stop at Loch Ness Discovery Centre or whatever that was called. Didn't think there was much there.
No, but I think like from Urquhart Castle you could get down to the loch anyway. So we'd seen quite a lot of Loch Ness.
A lock of Loch Ness.
A lot of Loch Ness. And then we drove all the way up the side of it, the whole length of it. So
We saw it.
I feel
didn't
like we did it justice.
And then Dornoch itself, that for me, like it felt like quite Cotswoldsy.
Yeah, it
Like
felt
the
like
little-
a
the
really
little village
cute
or town,
little
whatever it's called.
village. Yeah,
Yeah,
I thought it was really cute.
it was
that little
nice.
Village. Not too much there to do,
No,
but it's just a nice little cute stop off.
yeah, and the views have been okay. I preferred the views. It was quite dramatic in Glencoe, wasn't it? And on the way from Loch Lomond to
The
Glencoe.
drive was like, oh wow.
So we haven't had that wow factor yet, but I think it's going to come. I had it tonight when I was on the beach, so I was glad you went there for that.
Yeah,
But
Theo's feeling a little bit better now though, which is nice.
He's got the telly, so he's perked up a little bit.
Got a little bit of a relax. I thought the drive got better from Dornoch to, how do we say where we are now?
Brora or something.
I don't know.
But it's having this for just the night. I know we've only been in the van 3 nights, but I think, sorry, Theo, or else he just shot something.
There's a lot of stuff with 4 people in a little van, so it's nice just to spread out, chill out for a bit, and then go again.
Go again tomorrow. So we're heading further up north. Tomorrow we're heading up to Wick. We've got a campsite booked up there. I have no idea what it is because Tash has booked everything. I just follow along. I'm there for the ride, quite literally.
Wick River Campsite.
Sounds good. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Wick.